In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install PALWORLD on your PC and laptop. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Complete the installation, and once finished, open your Steam app, and once finished, open your Steam app. Now, go to Store and click on the search box at the top right-hand corner and search for PALWORLD to download the game. Scroll down until you see Add it to the cart button and click on it. Click on Purchase for myself, set up your payment method, and you're good to go. After completing the purchase, go to your library. You can use the search box to find PALWORLD or navigate directly to the games category. I don't have PALWORLD, so I will demonstrate on different game, but steps are the same. Find the game, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark.